Bro, the biggest hurdle that people face when trying to start a dropshipping store is one thing. Dropshipping at this point is a really competitive market due to the low barrier of entry. And when I say low barrier of entry, what I really mean is, bro, it don't cost a lot of money to start. So everybody and their mama pretty much does dropshipping. Now, that does not mean that you can't be successful doing it, because standing out is all you got to do, right? But let's talk a little bit more about that. Let's talk about how to stand out. And we've kind of referenced this before, right? Dropshipping at this point, we know, is 30% of the actual product, and then 70% how you market the product, how you present it. Meaning, if you can present something better than the next person, then that literally is the difference between you winning and losing. All right, so I'm gonna lay out the main things, bro, that if you can do this well, you will be successful as a dropshipper. We've already covered how to create a good site, or where we can go to get a good site made, right? We've done basic product research, but what we haven't talked in depth about is things like product descriptions, finding trending products on a whole nother level, and last but not least, ads. Being able to come up with really good ads. All right, now if you scrolled TikTok in the last 24 hours, bro, then you've been slammed with dropshipping ads pretty much. And the average person, including myself, used to think like, bro, how would I even film an ad for a product that I don't even have yet, that I've never even touched? And so you know me, bro, I did my research and I found us a tool that I'm gonna share with you today. So let's jump on the computer. All right, so I wanna introduce y'all to a platform that has helped me out a lot. It is called Adserea, all right? And what they specialize in is not only finding you products, but giving you all the information about the products, ad copy, product descriptions, and the most valuable part of this for me is the actual ads. And I'm gonna go ahead and break this open and show y'all, all right? So, rug boot anti-puncture working sneakers, all right? They kind of tell you your profit margin, how much you can sell these for, how much they are selling for, and it's kind of telling you how much you could buy them for. All right, so another cool thing about this, bro, is that it's so easy to just take this off of here and then add it to your Shopify site, right? So if you're familiar with one of my videos I've done already on dropshipping, then you know that I had a store called Slips where I just pretty much took those bubble flip-flops off of TikTok, found them, sourced them, and I kind of taught through that. But anyway, I'm going to show you how easy it is. Let's say I wanted to add this rug boot. I would just download that file and then come over here to my product section on Shopify, hit import, add file, upload, and continue. Import products, and it could take some time like it says. Now you see I have this product loaded right into my store and it's set as a draft, but I'm gonna go ahead and make it active and I'm gonna save it and I'm gonna preview that so you can see what it looks like right inside my store. Extremely nice. So that also once again just makes it super easy to import products in. Here's like the total sales. The source on AliExpress. We know that we can get this product on AliExpress, Alibaba, CJ Dropshipping, all type of places. But this is probably them analyzing the biggest one, right? As far as engagements, they're tracking engagements with posts that sport this. Supplier links. They have different suppliers, bro, which is always a great thing, because one of the main hurdles of drop shipping is finding legit suppliers, and even maybe if one doesn't work out, you can just keep on without your store or business feeling that hit, right? So they have an order chart, right? But let's go down here to where it gets valuable for me, right? Product description, right? Remember on my website episode, I kind of showed y'all, bro, how that's one of the most important things when it comes to making an online store is not only your product images being what they're supposed to be, but your product description, bro. Like, what does it tell people? Like, every hardworking man desires the most durable shoes. These shoes are ideal for day-to-day labor, especially men who perform field work or outside, always on the go, assist in the protection of the feet from falling or rolling items, right? So if you're a construction worker and you see this ad and you tired of wearing them big ugly boots, you're going to be interested in a product like this. If you're a maintenance man, if you do anything active, you're going to be interested in this, right? But that's not all. They give you features on these products, and then boom, the most valuable part of this to me, which is the ads, right? They kind of show you, here's a blank one first, and right, these are like TikTok style ads, although you can run them pretty much anywhere, right? But they give it to you like, hey, do you want the blank one? Or hey, we can give you one with the text and already stuff on there, right? Then ad copy, right? If you've ever advertised anything or taken any type of course for advertising, then you know ad copy is important. Using the right words, it being short and sweet, but also giving the whole entire like value proposition, bro. Like that all matters. So they tell you who to target, right? Let's say you don't want to just do TikTok ads. You want to go reach out to niche pages. Well, they kind of tell you here, go promote these on camping pages, adventure pages, travel pages, outdoor enthusiast pages. People who follow that type of stuff will be interested, right? Then product reviews, right? That's big. That's big to have product reviews, and that just once again builds a level of trust with a potential buyer. So now let's go back. We're gonna look at another product. It's Water Glow Faucet Head, and also these are like 2 new products that are breaking out, right? This is what that new banner means up there. But let's look at this product, right? LED waterfall nozzle streamlight. That's insane. So let's see. Let's view this product on Amazon. Okay, it is there. All right, so look, boom. Once again, tells you everything we need to know about it. Cost of it, how much you could sell it for, and the profit margin. Now, once again, provide you a good product description. Also, this type of stuff, tell me this wouldn't catch someone's attention, bro. Like this little looping GIF. That's what I'm saying, bro. That's the most valuable part of this to me, is that like you can't get this stuff. You have to like get this stuff and make it, and me being a YouTuber, bro, video production is not easy. So the fact that they provide this for you, bro, like let's look at what they say about this. Your sink into a magical water fountain, like that type of stuff. People would probably even get that for their kids. You know what I mean? If they have one of those houses where they have multiple bathrooms and the kids have a bathroom, then that definitely would be something that parents would get for their kids' bathroom. Once again, this is a really like eye-catching sort of thumbnail. It makes you give off the illusion that it gives off blue water, which it doesn't, but that's what selling and all that is about, is catching that attention, right? So it gives you the same thing, right? People interested in, I can't pronounce this brand, hold on, Solar, right? So boom, once again, product reviews, more product reviews. Let's go ahead and look at one more product, and then we're gonna look at more. All right, let's look at the page. Let's filter by niche. Let's look at something electronic. All right, boom. Look at this. Let's say we want to go into electronics, right? A Hype Switch Bluetooth gaming controller, right? Once again, shows us our price, everything that we need to know. Product description, it gives you these type of videos, right? Gives you like stuff to just sell it with, right? So let's see, they advise us to, let's see the copy that they put in this ad. Wait, maybe there's no copy in this one. Let's see the copy that they put in this ad. Hey, see, this is once again, this is just really good. Ad copy, once again, boom, eye-catching, really good stuff. All right, so now let's look at their live product spy. All right, this is basically, they tell you, okay, this product was published 16 hours ago. What this did for me mostly is give me an idea, because okay, one thing to jump in and starting stuff that everybody already sells, but this makes me want to first go look at their store and say, okay, they're selling flip-flops, right? But they've done 23K in sales. Oh, want to see what they're doing on this site. It's like a regular Shopify site. Seems like they have different kinds of apparel, right? So it just kind of gives me an idea, right? Of just ideas of saying, okay, this also proves to us that people do this different ways. Like there's not one way drop ship and win, right? And now let's look at the store finder, right? This is basically let's analyze this store, because looking at successful stores is definitely a way you can kind of just get what you need to do for your store. So boom, here's a message here. Did you know that our database contains more than 1 million Shopify stores data, right? That's a lot. Let's go ahead and let's look at the store finder, right? They analyze these stores. This is their meta description. This is their products. Kind of gives you some information about what these people are doing on social media. So it also kind of shows you like, hey, these people that are winning on these type of stores, bro, are winning on social media first, right? So a lot of people, I guess, want to take the easy way, right? But let's look at this company, Western Wear. They do 12 million in monthly sales. All right, now let's look at the store analyzer, all right? Using Gymshark US, right? And they pretty much give you the store description, the estimated monthly sales, and currently like the full features of their store analyzer becoming available, right? So let's look at the audience builder. You use this tool to find out what people are interested in. So let's say NBA, use NBA. right? This kind of just lets you know, okay, this is how many people are interested in this. But let's go more specific. Let's say basketball shoes. All right, and basketball shoes didn't bring us anything. All right, so the audience builder pretty much helps you find different interests, right? What's happening? Like, this is basically showing the interest on Facebook, right? Interest on Instagram, interest on, more related. They even give you like suggested, so they kind of help in that area too. They keep you updated with what they're doing as far as with updates and announcements. So I will have a link in the description for you to get this tool. The first 50 people that sign up will get 10% off. So go ahead and pull that up, man. It's your boy Rico. I'm out, man. I love y'all.